Welcome back to the Polly the Vlog channel. Sorry, it's been a while since I did a little upload, but I got a new GoPro camera at Christmas time, and I have yet to been able to utilize it, but I did go out one night and do a little bit of street scrapping, trying out my new camera, and well, it didn't go so good. Halfway through my adventure, I got out of sync with hitting the record button in that, and when I thought I was starting the recording, I was stopping the recording, and vice versa. And well, this is the video that I ended up with. It wasn't the best, but I was just trying out my new camera, and I promise you I will be back out there street scrapping real soon, and I'm gonna make some much better, higher quality videos. All right, enjoy the clip. Well, welcome to the Polly the Vlog channel. It's a new year. I got some new gear and we are out street scrapping. Found ourselves some bed rails. Let's start with those. Of course, they're under the mattress. I think I got them all. I think that was just a foot down there. Yep. Yeah, we got them all. All right, let's see if we can find some other treasures. I found a little lamp. I'm digging my pocket here for my cutters. And get that cord off of there. Where are my cutters? Under my car keys, of course. Come on. There we go. Got the cord. Well, it's a little vacuum. We don't do vacuums, but I will take the cord. Thank you very much. I see pots and pans up here in front of me. So instead of getting back in and driving up here, I'll just let my brother follow me. A nice little stash of metal. Alright, let's see what's I'm not quite sure what we stumbled across, but there is a lot of metal on this. Yeah, the legs are all metal. We'll take it. It's heavy.
What's the other piece?
I'm not sure.
No, I meant over there on the ground still.
Yeah, no, that's what I was talking about too. I'm not sure. This is some sort of USB cable.
Base for
well,
I didn't expect to find any volumes.
no, like you always say, you never know what you're gonna find. If you don't go, you don't know. Is this metal in this can? Couldn't quite tell. Oh yeah. That's a bunch of metal. Ooh, making some noise, waking up the neighborhood. trying to be a little more quiet. There we go. Oh, look at the pretty Christmas lights.